Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again, friends. On Windows 10, when using more than one Latin script language, you no longer have to switch between languages manually to get assistance as you type with a touch keyboard. Starting with the April 2018 update, version 18.03, you can continue typing and Windows 10 will assist you showing predictions for up to 3 different languages. In this video, you'll learn the steps to enable Windows 10 to show text predictions when using multiple languages with the touch keyboard. If you use more than one Latin script language, use these steps to enable multilingual text prediction. First, open Settings and click on Devices. Next, click on Typing, and turn on the multilingual text prediction, the toggle switch. Once you've completed the steps, Windows 10 will show text predictions on up to 3 recognized languages that you're typing in.